Lord have mercy, zucchini. Man, this is so heavy. Look at that. My goodness. You know what? We're here to harvest. We're here to harvest, do some harvesting today. Not a lot of tomatoes, but there's some tomatoes that need to be harvested. And I have some flowers to harvest too, to take indoors. Some flowers to cut to take indoors. So I'm gonna pick all the tomatoes that are ready and we go inside. But my excitement is the zucchini, and most of all is this right here. Let me turn the camera around so you can see. Look at this. The longest cucumber I've ever grown. I thought it was American long-yard cucumber. They're long, but they're not long like this. This is Armenian cucumber. Like I said, this is my first time growing it. I thought I was growing long-yard cucumber, but I think it is mixed in the seed package that I got. So this is what I got this year, because last year I grew the same seed package and it was American long-yard cucumber. So I guess this was a blessing inside the seed package, so I can't complain. But what I bought was American long-yard cucumber. I've planted that last year, but this is what we got this year, so I can't complain. This is the longest I can say cucumber I've ever grown. So let me pick it and harvest this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Let's see how long this is. Take a look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look. Oh my God. Can you imagine? Look at this. Almost to the length of my arm. Can you see this? This is amazing. And I know it can go longer than this. It looks like I picked this one early. Maybe right on time or late, but I'm not sure because this is my first time growing it. So I am impressed. I am really, really impressed. I have more tomatoes to be harvested here. Wow. There's some that are not ripe. Look at it. This is all I'm gonna harvest today, and we're gonna go in and cut in some flowers for the table, but this is all the food I'm gonna harvest today. It's hot, as you can see. It's really hot. Not a good time to come out here and harvest, but it's a good time to harvest the tomatoes because that's when you feel the sweetness. This is so sweet. So that's all I have for the harvest today. So excited about this too. We have some pickled cucumbers that we picked also, and some peppers. So I'm gonna take this inside and come cut some flowers. These are all the beautiful flowers I've harvested today. Look at that. Even though I enjoy this harvest video, but this is not the right time to do a harvest video. It's 90 degrees y'all outside and I'm sweating. I'm tired, but with all that, I am so glad and happy with what we got. We got a basket almost full of produce with this amazing surprise that we have in the garden, the giant zucchini and this long Armenian cucumber. And most of all, the beauty, this bouquet we got from the garden. I hope the video is clear because like I said, it's really hot and it's humid. My camera is going, it's turning off, on and off. So I'm just taking the opportunity to record this video, but my camera is getting heated. So I keep on taking it in and out to come give it, share with you this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you all on my next video. Till then, be blessed. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time. I'm sweating, y'all. I'm sweating. I gotta go inside with all this beauty. Look at that. And look at this.